My truck is a little bit out of commission. Still looks pretty good. Not really. It's dirty. Needs to be washed today. But I have a little surprise for you guys for today's video. If you guys didn't know, I have a Honda Grom. I don't really take it out much. It literally has 1,000 miles on it. I don't drive it, ever. Boost juice? What the heck? He's like, what the heck? That was a really quick trip to Mexico. Oh my.
A few inches later.
What did you do, Biggs? Oh no. Oops. SRT8 Challenger with a big old juicy Pro Charger. Thing's pretty sick. I like that sunroof. If you have a sports car and you have a sunroof, I think it adds like 500 horsepower. Something like that. Big old drag radials that are drag slicks because, you know, they came like that. Hello there. One of the questions I get asked the most besides, Gabe, how do you get inside your truck, is, Gabe, what's going on with those Bose speakers in your bed? So today, I'm going to answer that question. But first, this truck is absolutely disgusting, filthy. I took it off-road for a photo shoot. Got a little bit of mud on it. Oh, somebody cry me a river. So I'm going to power wash it and foam cannon it real quick. Rinse it all off so I don't have to look at this all day. And you guys don't have to look at this all day. Just be way better. So I'm gonna wash it. Now that it's all clean, I can talk about the speakers. Before I talk about the Bose speakers, I might as well talk about the whole audio system inside the truck. Like I've mentioned before, everything was installed by Infinite Customs, so shout out to them. They did a great job. In each door, all the speakers and tweeters are Scar Audio. I have two 12s behind the back seat. Those are the subs behind the back seat. Two Scar Audio 12s. And I do have TVs inside each door. Each door has their own TV. You can turn them on and off. It plays whatever is on the head unit, so I can watch movies or display a YouTube video or whatever I really want. I can even play PS4 on it. And all of it's powered by 3 Scar Audio amps. This is the button to turn on the TVs. This is the rock lights. That's the bass controller, and up there is how I control the Bose speakers. So I can have all the speakers on the inside and the Bose speakers off, or I can turn the Bose speakers on while everything's still playing on the inside, so it's pretty cool. And now for the Bose speakers. Up in the bed we have 4 Rockfordfosgate marine audio speakers. They're pods or whatever you want to call them. I absolutely love these speakers because of how loud and clear they are. I'll show you guys in a second, but I can have them turned on and you will hear me all the way down there. If I was to change something though, I do plan on taking this bar, turning all the speakers upside down, so then I can mount a bed cover and cover up the speakers. Right now they hang over the top, so I can't have a bed cover on, but if I hang them upside down, then I'll have enough room, and then I can put carpet in here. Now they do run about $2,000 for all 4 of them, not including labor to install them, not including an amp, not including the bar and everything. Just for the speakers, it's a little over $2,000, and I think that's totally worth it. I literally use these all the time for truck shows, barbecuing, hanging out in my driveway. Literally anytime I need music, these are playing. I'm gonna play a whole uncopyrighted song, uncopyrighted, so I don't get copyrighted, and I'm gonna slowly walk back the whole time so you guys can hear exactly how loud they are the further you are away. Hopefully this does a really good job on showing exactly how loud these things are, and hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Thank you all for watching.